I continue to get a lot of great suggestions for towns whose names I can explore to see, well, how they got those names. I've had many suggestions. I will get to as many as I possibly can, so keep them coming. But today we're looking at Hornepayne, Ontario.
Located in northern Ontario to the north of Lake Superior, Hornepayne has a very unique name. It also happens to be the birthplace of Goldie Goldthorpe, who was called the wildest, meanest, and most unpredictable player in hockey. He also happened to be the inspiration for Ogie Oglethorpe and Slapshot. So, when the railways was built through in 1915, Hornepayne was made a divisional point and given the name of Fitzback. That name would remain for only a few years. In 1919, the Canadian Northern Railways was amalgamated into the Canadian National Railway System due to high debts incurred by the company. 1 year later, in 1920, Fitzback became Hornepayne. That name came from a financier for the railway called Robert Montgomery Hornepayne. When the name of the town was chosen, the hyphen between Horn and Payne was removed, becoming the name of the town that it has today. The name's also unique enough that it even gets dropped in the Gordon Lightfoot song, On the High Seas.
So that was Hornepayne, Ontario. If you want to learn all about Canada's history, including small town histories, then check out my podcast, Canadian History X, available on all podcast platforms.